What are we gonna do? What are you doing? Look what Daddy has. I'm gonna show Carter his vitamins, and we're gonna see how excited he gets. Look what Daddy has. Look what Daddy. Huh. Do you want to eat them? Okay, I'm gonna give you some vitamins. Here they come. Here they come. Daddy'll do it. Daddy'll do it.
I have to go poop.
Okay, go. Go. Is that delicious? Look what Daddy has. Look what it is. Kick, kick, kick. Do you want it? Gotta get it, huh? Mmm. Look what Daddy has. Is that delicious? Mmm. All done. Are you so excited? Are you so excited?